Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting musical instrument, the 49 Keyboard Piano Digital Portable Soft Silicone Electronic Keyboard Piano. This isn't your traditional bulky keyboard. It's a roll-up design, which immediately tells you it's built for portability and convenience. The material used here is quality silicone, and the description highlights that the keys are soft. This is important because the feel of the keys can really impact your playing experience, especially when you're learning. They're designed to fit tightly together and feel good under your fingers, suggesting they're durable enough for regular use. Despite its compact, roll-up nature, this 49-key piano is packed with features. It includes essential functions like start and pause, but also more advanced ones like sync and insert. You have control over the speed, which is great for practicing at different tempos. There's a keyboard drum feature, a metronome to help you keep time, volume control, and various rhythm functions to play along with. It seems like they've included a good range of tools to support learning and playing. One of the biggest advantages mentioned is its size and portability. When rolled up, it's small and easy to store, taking up minimal space. This makes it incredibly easy to carry around. Whether you want to bring it to a party, use it outdoors, or just move it from room to room, its portability is a major selling point. For beginners, getting the right feel is crucial, and this portable electronic piano aims to replicate that of a real piano. The keys aren't just flat surfaces, they're designed with a specific rebound speed. This means when you press a key, it doesn't just stay down, it comes back up in a way that mimics acoustic piano action, allowing you to develop proper finger technique. You can truly enjoy the sound of the notes by running your fingertips across them, feeling that response. Beyond the feel, the built-in functions are incredibly helpful for learning. The metronome is essential for developing rhythm and timing. The rhythm functions let you practice playing along to different styles, making practice more engaging. Speed control allows you to slow down or speed up tempos as needed. The keyboard drum feature adds another layer of fun and versatility. It's this combination of a decent tactile feel and practical learning tools that makes it suitable for beginner to intermediate players. It's presented as a versatile keyboard piano that offers the feel of a traditional instrument, specifically designed to simplify and accelerate the piano learning journey for adults. The brand is DZDZDZ, and the color we're looking at is B. It comes in one size, which is the 49-key layout. Overall, it seems like a really convenient and functional option for portable music, making, and learning.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.